We are a material science company and we want to continue to decarbonize but also grow. Our vision is to build a skills-valued culture. We didn't have good insights into what skills and talent we were recruiting. We needed to have a unified talent system that pulled skills through all of our talent processes. Workday was a no-brainer to keep it all in a unified system, so we also could get the analytics out to make informed decisions. Dow has always had a great culture of continuously developing its talent. By using Workday's Career Hub, our team members have been able to see what do they specifically need to move into their next job. That resulted in a unique skills framework consisted of about 3,500 unique skills. 200 of those skills were unique to Dow, and we implemented and put those into Workday Skills Cloud. 95% of Dow's jobs globally has skills tied to them. We actually validated our skills on the job profiles with the business, but we also use Workday Illuminate to suggest skills to jobs, and it really allows us to have the data governance that's needed. It makes our jobs as people leaders and managers more efficient. We've also done a lot on training rationalization, and we saved over 185,000 hours that would have been non-productive time. Having partners like Workday helps us make sure we'll have a future-ready workforce.